Hey everybody, it is Jeff here. We're going to do something a little bit fun now. Um, so, remember my Carolina Reapers? Well, I have been um, basically dehydrating them. I'm going to use my muddler. I might have to get a new muddler because I think I've used my muddler quite a bit lately. But I might be able to get a couple more Reapers out before I get a muddler. Hey Craig, what's going on? Anyway, what I'm going to do now. No, I'm not eating it, Craig. I already know what Craig's thinking. All right. So I'm going to turn it into some dust, some powder. And you guys can all watch me turn this into powder. I'm going to muddle this down. And then we should be done with it. So that's what I'm doing with the Carolina Reapers I have now. I've got them dehydrating and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and muddle these down. You guys can all watch. Hey, Lon. Okay, make sure you say something when you're on here. I am now adjusting. Let me turn on my... All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. All right, give me just a second, everybody. Oop, I don't want to actually turn everything off, but get everything to stay up here, right? Everybody good? All right, so let me see here. Ah, dang it. Okay, so we're going to get these... let me readjust my camera here so it's all down there, right? Oh, there we go. All right, so then we want to get it right there. I think we're good. Make sure it's tight. All right, so take off the seeds, take off the top. Just a few seconds behind. Okay, we're gonna do one at a time. Make sure we're good. I think we're good. All right. Okay, here we go. So, I put my hand over it for a reason. So that if it does squirt out, so you guys can see the inside now. And the seeds do not have capsaicin in them, but everything else does. Okay? So, let me get that all... Let's get it all muddled up now. I don't want to pound too hard. I'm really worried I might actually break my muddler and this stuff will go everywhere. I'm not worried about breaking the muddler. I'm more worried about... because I'm getting this stuff down to a powder. And then, ooh, see, that side right there feels like a loose tooth. Oh gosh, that stuff bugs get my nose. Oh my god, that sucks. This makes that hotter. By the way, in case you're ever wondering, yes, it is hotter when you dry it out. And yes, it has more intensity when you eat it like this. Okay? Just because you eat it when it's raw, everybody think that, no, it's actually hotter now. So, to give everybody just a quick lesson that's watching this, one of the hottest substances there is in the plant kingdom, or whatever you want to call it, is horseradish. And the finer you grow, the finer you can get it into a powder, the hotter horseradish is. Now, this is a Carolina Reaper, hottest pepper in the world. Okay. Yeah, that is going to come apart here eventually. And then, so, if you think about it, and that's just a regular horseradish. Now, wasabi, real wasabi is thousands and thousands of dollars. So, oh no. Ah, my muddler broke. Crap. That's not good. That's not good at all. Shoot. Ah. Well, my muddler broke. So I'll have to get a new muddler. But I'm not going to go any farther because I don't want this stuff getting everywhere. Ah, biscuits. I knew that was going to happen. So, I'll go ahead and get it all in there. That's going to get thrown away. Oh, I don't want to put that on my fingers. You know, first inclination is pick it up with your fingers. Yeah, okay. I may end up doing it anyway. Let's see here. Alright, so, as long as it doesn't, I don't want it to mix with the oils in my hands, though. I've already washed my hands a couple times. Alright, so, there we go. So, the other one I've got, we will use a different muddler for, but not right now. So, as you can all see, oh, that light's bright. Alright, so, this is Carolina Reaper, okay? And as you can see, I've got about, that's about 4 Reapers right there. No, 6. No, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five reapers. Sorry. The sixth one would be right here. Okay, so now my phone wants me to turn it back regular. So, as you can see right here, we have it all in there. And if anybody wants any of these, I do sell reapers. I give them away first. Then I teach everybody how to do them. But if you want one, I do sell them. If it's friends around Quincy or else, I even got plants you can have if anybody wants a plant. So as you can see, this is just death right there. I mean, I can't even tell you what that would be equivalent to right now. It's almost like I'm doing a drug over here. That's how funny this is. It's not. I don't do drugs, but it's really, really funny how this is one of the hottest substances in the world, and grown right here in good old Quincy, Illinois. And I should start selling that to the Marine Corps for their CS training class and everything. So make sure when you're doing this stuff, you don't get it on you. And I hope everybody's having a great day today. Hope we can see a lot of you guys in Salt Lake City when we get to Salt Lake City. Then Monday, I hope everybody can get over to the Marine Corps League meeting. You know, I really do love every guy that's in the Marine Corps League meeting. We need some more female Marines too. And, you know, I know that everybody gets on everybody's nerves every once in a while, but the leagues and the stuff, when people start thinking about the leagues in general, they do a lot of good. You know, we're doing with the Soapbox Derby. We've helped out with a lot of different things this year. You know, individuals, it's a little bit harder because we're always trying to help each other, but as a league, you know, with all the parades and everything we do. So I hope everybody has a great day. Hope everything's going good. And if anybody needs anything, let me know. So like right now, I'm working on some work, and I gotta scoot my chair back because I didn't realize that I've got a stand for this thing. But that's yes, my muddler broke. I guess I can keep this thing, but you know, these things work great. But a little sad. I've had this for quite a while, and it finally broke on me. I can glue it, but which I probably would do. I'll use some super glue, but it's still not going to be the same, you know, once you do it, because like I said, these are all usually made out of one piece of what are these made out of? Quartz. And it's supposed to be one of the harder substances, but as you can see, and I use it for my cooking and everything also, so I'll see if I can get some glue or whatnot in it, and then I'm going to wash it really good first. So it's a good muddler, but unfortunately it broke, but I can fix it. I am actually pretty good at doing that. It's just called super glue. And we'll go from there. So anyway, oh, this was made in India. Sorry. So hope everybody's having a great day. I hope everything's going good for everybody today. I look forward to hearing from everybody. Probably be live in St. Louis tomorrow. We'll probably be live down in Salt Lake City. I'll see if I can get some pictures of the outside of the Mormon Tabernacle and everything else. So it's one of the places my mom really loved. I got several friends in Quincy that are Mormon and everything. Dustin and his wonderful wife and family, they're all Mormons and everything, and they're great people. But I'm heading over there, and you know, it's funny because I know we got people come from all the country, but you know, there's a direct connection with Nauvoo, Illinois, and Salt Lake City with all the Mormons and everything. So anyway, hope everybody's having a great day. And if you guys ever want to know any history, I'm usually the guy to talk to. But make sure you have a great day, and I will look forward to talking to everybody soon. So if you need anything, let me know. I am Jeffrey Jansen. I'm going to be experimenting with a couple of my new website designs. I don't do website designs. What I do is stuff for my business, but because I work in Quincy and with regular people and military and truck drivers, I try to get stuff up there that they relate to, and so they know what it is. And I just got some new things up and going, so I'd love for you guys to take a look at that. And as I post them up, just go and like them. You don't have to like fill anything out. I'm not looking to sell anybody anything right now, but I am looking to find out how they're looking, if the sites are clear enough on your phone compared to your tablet, compared to your computer. And I love using my friends for that. My friend Valerie, hey Valerie, you know I know who you are. She's one with the horses and everything. She's a sweetheart. Got to get Gracie back on the horses and everything over at Portrait Creek. But Gracie's doing all this dance stuff with... oh, that reminds me. I gotta go get her. she's doing with Jen's Dance Academy. She's dancing company now. So anyway, if you guys see Gracie, tell her good job. I'm very, very proud of my little girl. Oh, it's amazing how we love them and they frustrate us, and there isn't anything we wouldn't do for them. And as they're growing up, you know, I mean, just anyway, she's awesome, and I love her to death. I wish I saw more of my nephews. I love Liam, Jude, and River with all my heart and everything, and my sister and brother. I love them. So I know that people sometimes think it's just they live in St. Louis, so we don't get to see them that often. There's never been any problems between us at all. It's just they live in St. Louis, I'm in Quincy. And before that, I was in North Carolina, and then I was over in Europe and the Mediterranean. And when they were in Quincy and they were going to college and stuff. So it's just families grow, and then we get older and we have families of our own, you know. And there's not a single person in my family I don't love. So anyway, hope everybody's having a great day. I'll see everybody later. And if you need anything, just inbox me. So I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye now. Hey, look, it's me. Hey, look, I wonder if I can do a me thing. It's me. I see me live, yet I'm right behind the phone here. So this is me live. Jennifer. Hi, Jennifer. Hey, Carla. Hey, Lindsay. Hey, Tom. Hey, Brittany. Hey, Chris. Christine. Kenneth. Let's go on, Angie. So I got that on there. I'm going to switch it back over to me and be like, hey, look, it's me. Whoops. Now you can see me this direction. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now I'm looking at me right there. Yes, I am having a little bit of fun with this. Y'all can laugh at me later. I'm having a little fun. I can't help it. I didn't even see that one message go on there. Ah, look, it's me. I'm going to switch back to me again so you can see me again. Look, it's me again. Let me turn that flash off. How do you turn that flash off? There we go. Look, it's me again. That's like that mirror over at St. John's. You can see forever, the eternity mirror, whatever they call it, when you put a mirror up to a mirror, up to a mirror, up to a mirror. And it's like really cool. And they switch back to me. And then it's like really, really cool. Then switch back over. All right, everybody. I'll let everybody go. See you later, everybody.